tatanong ko muna kayo mga papi.
Yeah.
Ano ba mga gusto nyong holiday gift? Ikaw, Tones?
Well, you know what? Right now, I need anything from a cell phone, any kind of gadget right now.
You know, for me...
New laptop, maybe.
A laptop would be nice.
Yeah, laptop.
Sabagay.
Why?
Pang internet browsing, kailangan talaga.
Something that's up to standards with a lot of memory, something quick, something really, really fast that can hold a lot of videos, because I do a lot of
Sakto ka dyan, Paps. Kasi, our special guests from the worldwide IT giant, Acer Philippines are here.
Alright, hi guys, we're back.
Yan.
Hey, welcome.
Our IT doctor of Acer Philippines, syempre, is here, Doc Dio and Miss
Mr.
Ivy.
G.
Yan, Mr. G.
Hey guys, good evening.
Good evening. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
We have the IT doctor secretary.
Yan.
Ah.
Actually, I prefer to be called the IT nurse.
IT
Sounds
nurse.
sexier that way.
Ako may sakit. Ivy.
May I refer you to the doctor first?
Pwede ba nurse muna?
Hindi, reverse.
Shani needs to diagnose you pa eh.
Hindi, ikaw na lang.
PLC na agad.
First line should be there.
So we heard that Acer has exceptional gift this
Yes,
holiday.
that's correct. So for every laptop that you buy, almost any laptop actually, comes with a free Smart Bro LTE pocket Wi-Fi.
Oh, wow.
For free.
Yun, smart bro.
From December to January 30, 2014. The pro
So may free smart bro Wi-Fi.
Yes.
Okay.
LTE may I add.
So what does this Smart Bro LTE Pocket Wi-Fi do?
Well, the LTE pocket Wi-Fi from Smart can connect up to 10 gadgets or devices with 42 Mbps speed. So really, really fast.
So pag download ng mga basta-basta. Na.
Perfect
Download,
match.
mabilis. Upload. Yan, if you want. Kasi si Slick nag-upload ng videos.
Oh. Mga boys na,
Mga viral videos niya.
Viral videos?
Viral videos?
Boys night out, viral videos.
Tingnan niya yung TFTF0.
What's that?
TFTF0.
Look for it.
Look for it.
Alright, so yeah.
We'll show you. We'll show you here. We'll show you here.
Okay.
But you know, like you said that it comes free with the laptop.
Yeah.
Now, what kind of laptops do I need to buy to get these freebies?
Well, ranging
Starting
from
at what range?
Ranging from our lines of Ultrabooks and even the entry-level laptops. It comes with
entry-level.
free
Wow.
LTE Wi-Fi, pocket Wi-Fi.
So even the entry level meron ng free. Wow.
Yes, yes.
LTE,
Sit
LTE.
beside me.
Wi-Fi.
Hi,
Sit beside me.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Ano
go
ba?
ahead.
Yeah.
That's too close.
Okay.
Oh.
Jojo, move over. Too close.
Ano ang gusto mo this laptop ba?
Yung personal space.
Miss Ivy.
Oh, what's my name first?
Ivy.
Spell.
I-V-Y.
That's like
Sorry.
strike 3.
You know, you never get it right. I wonder why.
Wait, ano ba yung entry level ng Acer? Starting at how much ba?
Well, starting at 17,000, for as low as 17,000
Wow.
pesos, you can get a laptop with a free LTE pocket Wi-Fi.
Okay.
You know, this LTE pocket Wi-Fi sells at about 4,900 pesos, I think.
Ganun.
But with Acer, you get it for free.
And what's the highest model that you guys have?
We have a gaming laptop actually.
Yun.
Oh,
Priced
nice.
at 69,000 pesos.
Fresh out from the market.
Yung parang supercharged to all the...
All the graphics and
Yes,
stuff, yeah.
perfect for gaming and of course as well as for video editing as well.
Yun ang kailangan natin.
Ano title nun?
The range is Aspire V3 series.
V3.
Aspire V3.
That's very new. We just launched it last week.
Oh!
Merry Christmas,
Oh, wow.
So, Jojo, you have to get it right the next time. No, don't hug me. Guys, stop him. He wants to hug me.
It's perfect for gaming and video editing.
No way!
Yes, yes.
Battery.
No effing way! Windows 8 na to.
Windows 8.
17 inch.
Yes, honey.
What's this called again?
Aspire V3.
No.
Because we love you guys so much. Merry Christmas from Acer.
Wow.
See, Tony? We take things off the higher level.
Hey, I have your phone.
See? Please. Slick is using her phone also. Nice one.
Jojo,
Jojo, get phone!
supposed to be surprise for Jojo.
It's supposed to be a surprise for you. You're supposed to spell my last name first.
Jojo, spell her last name.
J-A-R-L-O.
What the hell?
Tell her why. Tell her why.
It's my name.
And I want to be yours too.
May bago ka.
You are so lucky. You have 3 wingmen here.
Yeah. Thank you, Miss Ivy.
Yeah.
My dream.
No, it's not yours yet. You have to win. You have to
Yeah, you have to win it.
Okay, ganito. Yes, wait, kalaro mo si Miss Ivy. Yan ang gawin natin.
Okay.
You get the word, you get the laptop.
We have that. We have the caller, right?
Well, the caller, you put the line down, but we have your name.
Solid.
So just in case,
Okay.
if he does win, okay lang.
Solid.
But if he loses, we have your name na. But
Thank you, our friends from Acer. They actually gave us each
That's
a
Fire
unit.
V3 series.
Yes.
V3.
Very, very new.
So we can actually edit our videos now.
Yes.
Yes.
oh, this is perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
17 inch.
17-inch.
Solid.
Jojo, it's not yet yours now, huh?
Jojo, why'd you take it out of the box? It's not yours.
17-inch Core i7.
Damn.
16 gig RAM.
Wow.
Oh, we have a laptop for the office now.
Yay.
For my desk.
Jojo, yours is different, ha? Because you weren't able to get my name right.
It's okay.
Oh. Now, of course, thank you guys to the guys of Acer. But I know for a lot of our other listeners, what do we need to know more about the wonderful gift by Acer? You know.
Yeah, for more on this promo and of course on all of the Acer products, you may visit us on Facebook. That's facebook.com/AcerPH.
Of course, Acer recommends Windows 8. Work easy, play hard with Windows 8.